Alright, so I wanted to do another update on this full self-driving beta 10.69.3.1. It's raining now, so we're going to see how the car can drive on its own. Alright, so we're actually going to Costco, and you can see when I turned it on, it immediately turned the windshield wipers on. And we'll see how it does in the rain. It's been doing a very good job, actually. I've done some stuff where it actually impressed me with how it handled pedestrians and things like that. Like the moment they were out of the way enough, it kind of just started to go. So I feel like it's been doing a lot better. And then there were like situations where it goes around like Amazon delivery trucks and things like that. So we'll see if we encounter any kind of special cases like that here. Oh, full self-driving is degraded because of the weather conditions. And it's still driving the speed. Okay, actually I want to take the local roads. So I'm going to stop it right now because I'm going to take the local roads. Alright, we still got a red light here. Oh, why are my windshield wipers so like squiggly? Let me put some washer fluid and see if that helps at all. Okay, anyways, let's let it go again on its own. Okay, there we go. I don't know why it's setting the windshield wipers to like max speed. It doesn't need that fast, but okay, let's see what it does. And I don't want it to U-turn here. I'm gonna actually keep going. So yeah, I want it to take the local road. So oh, I'm gonna have to use the brakes a little bit, I think. Jeez, it set it to like max speed here. Calm down, buddy. Is that auto? It needs to be that high? I wonder if the washer fluid is making the wiper blades like... I don't know why it's so sticky like that. You see that? It's so wobbly. Well, okay, let's turn it back to auto. Let's give it more washer fluid. I don't know what's going on with it. It's so sticky. The windshield needs to be like greased or something. No, we don't want a U-turn. Okay, it's probably going to be a while before it will take the local roads. But let's see. Man, why are they going so crazy? I think I need to wipe the blades themselves better. I messed up the I don't know why the windshield wiper blades are doing that. It's like sticking to the windshield. Guess it's too cold. Alright. Can you take the local roads yet? Come on, switch to local roads. I wish there was an option that I can tell it, like, to avoid the freeways. Actually, maybe. Can I? Settings. Trip planner. Avoid ferries. Online routing. Avoid tolls. Use... No, it doesn't have that option. So, I can't force it to use the full self-driving on the freeway. I mean, on the city roads yet. Okay, let's let it drive on its own now. Wake up. Come on. Come on. There. No. Why does it keep giving up? Look at that. There we go. Okay. So navigate on autopilot is unavailable because of the poor weather conditions. So I kind of wonder how it will be able to do full self-driving if it needs like good weather all the time to be able to drive. I guess it can't really do the... I guess we can't really do the full self-driving test then. So, as you can see, I mean, it can follow the lines, but it's not gonna follow the GPS. At least I don't think it is. I wonder if it's gonna try and turn left there or if it will keep going straight. I'm curious now. Let's see. I'll see if it like changes lanes or signals on its own. Okay, slowing down for that guy. Keep going. I pushed the pedal because it slowed down too much. So I think in this kind of weather, it doesn't work too well. I mean, it's driving fine to follow the lanes, but like you can't navigate on autopilot, so pretty much, nope, where are you going? It was like following the other cars for some reason. And it has a lot harder time being reactivated. Well, I guess because I keep doing it in the middle of the intersections. I don't know why it wants to turn left here. Oh, it's trying to take 680 again. Okay. But as you can see, it's just going in a straight line. It's not actually following the GPS. So it's just going to keep going in a straight line here. Okay, I don't know why my windshield wipers are so sticky. But maybe I should turn it off so it doesn't mess itself up. I don't know. Spray more of the fluid. The washer fluid helps. It doesn't get all sticky with the washer fluid. And another thing I should probably do is turn on the thing to defrost. Well, I don't need to defrost the wiper blades. Where's the rear defroster one here? Do I have to like bring up a special menu? I don't see the rear defroster, or does it turn on both of them? I don't know. I'm confused. It says defogging. I don't see a rear defroster like it used to have. Let me see if I do that one. Interesting. If I hold this, there's wipers, heated steering wheel. There's the rear. Oh, here. Do I have to actually put it on the menu to be able to use it? Really? Really? That's dumb. I'd have to put it on the menu here to be able to use it. I can't just use this? Or is it on? I don't know. I'm confused here. Do I have to replace like... Okay. Let's see now. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Why do you need to have it on the menu down here to be able to use it? That makes no sense at all. Like, there should be... Oh, is it up here? How come I didn't see that before? Okay, let me get rid of the icon again. Because for some reason I didn't see it the first time. Put the radio thingy back down there. No. Get rid of that. Okay. It is here. Why was I blind? I didn't see that. Okay. Anyways. Well. Yeah, how come I didn't see that the first time? I guess I was looking down here. I don't know. So, I technically don't need that one either. Maybe later I'll replace that with something else because I don't really need the defogging down there if it's in the regular menu here. Okay, let's let the car drive itself again. Again, it only knows how to follow the lanes now and slow down for cars, but as you can see, because it has two lines here, it doesn't follow the navigation. I wonder if... Okay, well, I'm slowing down too much for that car. I wonder if it will be able to switch lanes if I just signal to switch lanes. There's something in the road, so I gotta be careful here. Okay. Does it see the red light? Yes, it does. Okay, it sees the green light. I'm gonna see... Oh. Okay, it was doing some weird stuff. Let's turn it back on. So as you can see, in rainy weather, anything other than just regular weather, it has some issues. we're gonna switch lanes over. Let's see. Oh, they already switched lanes. So I guess we'll switch lanes after we pass this other light, the next one up ahead. Okay, so you see it's saying to turn left. I don't know why it's slowing down there. Keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna signal to the right, and it still does signal and switch lanes on its own. Or if I signal, it still switches lanes on its own. So yeah, I guess nothing interesting is gonna happen because it's just basically following the lanes. So this full self-driving thing, if it's raining or weather's not like good, I'm guessing because the rain droplets cover the cameras and then it can't really follow it too well, or it can't see too clearly. So it complains and then it doesn't use the full self-driving completely. You can see it's following the lanes okay. Alright, so far it's following the lanes alright. I'm a little curious if it, actually I don't think it'll work on the freeway or the highway either. But yeah. So as you can see, it follows the lanes, it sees all the cars, but it can't navigate on its own, so that kind of sucks. Alright, it's following the lanes. Should probably slow it down here actually, because the roads are pretty wet. Alright, I'm going to actually signal and go left. Alright, it's going on its own, does the lane change on its own. Over the train tracks, it did it just fine. And it sees that car going left. Is it going to try and follow? No. Okay, but it is slowing down for no reason. Oh, maybe because it sees the GPS thing, and it's like, do you want to go over there or not? So maybe if I cancel the navigation and just let it go because it's not following it anyways. Okay, I'm going to actually have to go to the left lane here and do a left turn, because I don't think the Autopilot is going to do a left turn on its own. So if I had it in this left turn lane and I have it on, I don't know if it's going to follow that. Should I try? I don't know. I don't know if it's just going to go in a straight line or if it's going to follow these cars. We'll find out. Man, what is going on here with the windshield wipers? Do I need to put some wax on my windshield? Alright, let's see what happens. So full self-driving unavailable. Alright, let's see. Is it gonna turn or am I gonna have to pull it? Okay, it knows to turn. Don't turn too much. Alright. Okay. Oh, it disengaged right there. So it got nervous and then it disengaged. But it did, it was handling it. I think if I didn't touch the wheel, or pull a tiny bit on it, because I was pulling on it a little, just in case. I was holding it in that turn, just in case it randomly decided to go straight. It probably would have done it, but it was complaining here. So it's randomly saying stopping for traffic lights and stuff like that. Okay, well, that's the wet weather, rainy weather condition, like driving ability of the car. So I don't know if they'll be able to fix that sometime in the future. But that's how it drives right now, as is. Okay. Windshield wipers are going crazy. Just fine. I'm gonna switch over to the left lane. Alright, it handles like the switching lanes and stuff just fine, so I don't know what prevents it from being able to just keep using the full self-driving and drive normally. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Hopefully this kind of helped you guys see where it is in terms of like poor weather. It does stay in the lanes and things, so it's still useful, but yeah, it can't drive on its own. Anyways, I'm gonna turn the windshield wipers off because it's doing that craziness. I don't want it to break things. And yeah, all right, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. All right, so the rain stopped, and now it can drive itself on navigating on autopilot, as you can see. But we are on a freeway, so this isn't really much of a test. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to update you guys on that, so you can see like the moment the rain kind of cleared up and stopped, then it's fine. All right, that's it. See you guys in the next one.